Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous êtes prêts et prêts pour la leçon 14 parce que dans cette leçon, on va s'intéresser aux adverbes qui montrent la fréquence. On les appelle adverbs of frequency en anglais. Ces adverbes sont des mots qui répondent aux questions how frequently ou how often, c'est-à-dire à quelle fréquence. Ainsi, ces adverbes nous disent à quelle fréquence une action se passe. Il existe deux groupes de ces adverbes. Ceux qui sont plus généraux et ceux qui sont plus précis. Maintenant, on va examiner ces deux groupes. Okay? Vous avez ici une liste de ces mots. So, 100%, 100%, I will speak in English, okay? 100%, always, okay? I always take the bus to school. Je prends toujours l'autobus pour aller à l'école, okay? Always. 90%, usually. He usually takes a shower in the evening. Habituellement, which means usually, okay, habituellement, il prend sa douche le soir, okay? He takes a shower in the evening. And then we have 80%. It says normally. She normally walks the dog in the morning. So, normally, she normally walks the dog in the morning. Normalement, elle promène son chien le matin. Okay? And then 70% we have generally, okay? So generally and normally are kind of the same. And it says, we generally arrive very late, okay? So généralement, on arrive très tard, okay? We arrive very late. 60% frequently, okay? Frequently. We frequently take the bus, okay? Fréquemment means frequently. On prend l'autobus, okay? On prend l'autobus. 50% is often. Often means like souvent, okay? They often go skiing in the Alps, okay? So they often go skiing in the Alps. Elles vont souvent skier dans les Alpes, okay? They often go skiing in the Alps. 40%. Sometimes. We sometimes eat fast food. Okay, so we sometimes eat fast food. Nous mangeons parfois de fast food, okay, de la restauration rapide. Okay, we sometimes eat fast food. Sometimes is like parfois en français. Now we have 30%, 30%. Occasionally, okay. I occasionally forget my homework. Occasionally, right? So, I occasionally forget my homework. De temps en temps, j'oublie mes devoirs. So, occasionally. On peut dire aussi à l'occasion. Okay, and then we have from time to time, de temps en temps, 20%. I see her from time to time. Je la vois de temps en temps. And then we have 10%. Okay, seldom. Seldom. Okay, she seldom smokes cigarettes. She seldom smokes cigarettes. Elle fume rarement des cigarettes, okay? Seldom and then rarely, okay? Rarement. Seldom and rarely are like the same. C'est la même chose. So, 5% rarely. You rarely eat fish, okay? Tu manges rarement du poisson, right? You rarely eat fish, okay? Maybe this person, they don't like fish. Then we have 3%, hardly ever. Okay, hardly ever. Almost never, never, never. Hardly ever. And it says, you hardly ever drink alcohol. You hardly ever drink alcohol. Tu ne bois presque jamais d'alcool. Okay, c'est like hardly ever is like presque jamais. All right? And then we have 0%. Zero. Zilch. Nothing. 0%. He never, right, because we have never, travels to Antarctica. So he never travels to Antarctica. Il ne voyage jamais, because jamais means never, on Antarctique, okay, to Antarctica. Okay, so always, usually, normally, generally, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, from time to time, seldom, rarely, hardly ever, and then we have never. Okay? Maintenant, remarquez que l'adverbe est toujours placé avant le verbe principal, sauf si on emploie le verbe to be. Okay? Dans ce cas, on doit mettre l'adverbe après le verbe to be. Par exemple, I am always on time to work. Okay? J'arrive toujours on time, à l'heure, au travail, to work. Okay? I always arrive on time to work. You are sometimes late to your doctor's appointment. Appointment is like un rendezvous. Okay? You are sometimes late to your doctor's appointment, okay, which means vous êtes parfois en retard pour votre rendez-vous chez le docteur. Okay? We are often very busy during the day. Okay? We are often very busy during the day. Nous sommes souvent très occupés pendant la journée. Okay? And finally, et finalement, they are rarement, early to the company meetings. They are rarely early to the company meetings. Ils sont rarement en avance pour les réunions de la compagnie. Alright? OK. On continue maintenant avec les autres adverbes qui sont plus précis lorsqu'on parle de fréquence. Il est important de se rappeler que les adverbes du premier groupe se placent habituellement au début d'une phrase, alors que ceux du deuxième groupe se retrouvent vers la fin des phrases. OK? Examinons quelques exemples. We have hourly. Hourly means à l'heure, okay, or à toutes les heures. And then we have daily, okay? So daily, like a daily, quotidiennement, okay? It's like daily, quotidiennement. Then we have weekly, okay? Weekly is like par semaine, okay? Weekly, and then we have monthly, mensuellement. Yearly, annuellement. Okay, and then we have every second, so every is chaque, and then second is seconde, so chaque seconde. Once a minute it's like une fois par minute. Twice a year, okay, deux fois, so that's twice, deux fois, right? Deux fois par an, okay, par an, okay, a year is un. And then we have once, which is une fois, twice, deux fois, and then finally we have three times, trois fois. Alright? So, employons maintenant ces adverbes pour expliquer la fréquence de manière précise. So, ici nous avons I work hourly. Okay? So, on a hourly ici. So, I work, je travaille hourly. So, I work hourly, je travaille à l'heure. I see my grandparents monthly. Okay? I see my grandparents monthly, okay? So, je vois mes grands-parents monthly, mensuellement. And then we have, I go to the movies 3 times a week. I go to the movies. Remember, the movies is like, je vais au cinéma, okay? The movies, okay? 3 times a week, 3 fois par semaine. Right? So it's like, I go to the cinema 3 times a week. I go to the movies 3 times a week. Je vais au cinéma 3 fois par semaine. OK. Notez bien qu'il est possible de placer certains adverbes au tout début d'une phrase pour mettre l'emphase sur la fréquence ou le style. Every second, okay, au début de la phrase, so in the beginning of the phrase, see here we have I work hourly. I see my grandparents monthly. I go to the movies 3 times a week. But here it's au début de la phrase, we have it in the beginning of the phrase, so every second someone in the world dies. Okay, every second someone in the world dies. All right? So, à chaque seconde, quelqu'un dans le monde meurt. Right? Dies is like meurt. All right? Once a minute, there are 60 seconds that pass. Okay, so we're talking about time. Once a minute, there are 60 seconds that pass. Okay, so une fois par minute, 60 secondes passent. All right, once a minute, there are 60 seconds that pass. Eh bien, tout le monde, j'espère que vous avez profité de cette leçon. Bientôt, on va étudier les jours de la semaine et apprendre comment dire le nom des mois. Merci d'avoir regardé la vidéo et à la prochaine. See you next time. Bye.